Guys, today I'm making Hainanese chicken and rice. This dish is so comforting. I'm using a whole chicken, and first we're gonna slather it in some kosher salt, and you wanna exfoliate it. It makes the skin nice and soft. After you rinse it, we're gonna trim the excess fat and set that to the side. In a large pot, I'm adding our chicken stock, water, scallions, ginger, and garlic. Next, I'm making hot chili sauce with red pepper, garlic, ginger, sugar, sesame oil, rice vinegar, and some of the chicken broth. You want to blend that all together. Look at it, the color is so beautiful. Next, I'm making some scallion oil with some scallions, garlic, ginger, sugar, salt, and oil. I boiled the chicken on high for about 20 minutes, and I let that simmer for another 40 minutes. Right after, you're gonna give it a nice cool ice bath. Now I'm just rendering the chicken fat that we saved earlier. I added in some scallion oil, garlic, onions, the rice, and turmeric. Stir fry that up for a few minutes, and then we're gonna add that to a rice cooker with some water and chicken broth. So I'm just cutting our chicken. You want to get the thighs and the breasts. Let your knife do the guiding, and you can kind of feel around the cartilage and bones and pull apart the meat. Cutting it up. Our rice is done. Smells so good. I'm using this heart bowl to make a little heart. Adding in our chicken, cucumbers, tomatoes, lime. Brushing on some sesame oil on the chicken. Adding our scallion oil. And lastly, our red hot chili sauce. So easy and so yummy.